Finding the right home gym equipment that offers a full-body workout while being space-efficient can be a challenge. The Total Gym Apex is a highly versatile piece of fitness equipment that allows users to perform over 70 different exercises with 8 resistance levels, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts. With a sturdy steel frame, foldable design, and multiple attachments, this machine is designed to provide an effective, low-impact workout for all fitness levels. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of the Total Gym Apex is its space-saving design. Measuring 93 inches in length, 43.25 inches in height, and 15.5 inches in width, the machine is compact enough for home use while still offering a full range of motion for a variety of exercises. The glide board mechanism ensures smooth transitions between exercises, allowing users to work out without unnecessary strain on their joints. The frame is made from high-quality steel, making it durable and capable of supporting users up to 300 pounds. Despite its solid build, it remains lightweight and foldable, allowing users to store it away when not in use. Many customers appreciate the sturdy construction and well-balanced feel of the machine, ensuring safety and stability even during intense workouts. Workout versatility and performance. One of the biggest selling points of the Total Gym Apex is its versatility. With over 70 different exercises, users can engage in total body strength training, targeting major muscle groups such as arms, legs, core, chest, and back. The 8 adjustable resistance levels make it easy to progress over time, making this machine suitable for users of varying fitness levels. The Total Gym method focuses on body weight resistance, providing a low-impact workout that minimizes stress on joints. This makes it an excellent option for older adults or those recovering from injuries who still want to maintain their strength and mobility. Users can transition between exercises smoothly, thanks to the glide board, making the workout efficient and effective. Ease of assembly and use. Unlike many home gym setups that require extensive assembly, the Total Gym Apex is nearly fully assembled right out of the box. Most users report that setting it up takes just a few minutes with minimal effort. Once assembled, the auto-lock height adjustment feature makes it easy to switch between exercises, ensuring a hassle-free workout experience. The machine comes with an instruction manual, exercise flip chart, and DVD, making it easy for beginners to get started. Additionally, users gain access to Total Gym TV, which offers guided workouts and training programs to help maximize the use of the machine. Accessories and features. The Total Gym Apex comes with a variety of accessories that enhance its functionality, including wing attachment for upper body exercises, squat stand for lower body workouts, leg pull accessory for targeting leg muscles, dip bars for tricep and chest exercises, exercise flip chart, and workout DVD to guide users. These accessories allow users to diversify their workouts, making this an all-in-one fitness solution. Customer feedback and ratings. With 7,879 global ratings and an impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, customer reviews for the Total Gym Apex are overwhelmingly positive. Many users appreciate the sturdy build quality, ease of use, and versatility of the machine. Pros. Over 70 exercise options for a full-body workout. 8 resistance levels for progressive training. Compact and foldable design for easy storage. Minimal assembly required. Smooth, low-impact motion protects joints. Includes accessories and guided workout materials. Cons. Resistance may not be challenging enough for advanced lifters. Requires space for full extension during some exercises. Glide board movement may take time to get used to. Final verdict. For those looking for an effective, compact, and versatile home workout machine, the Total Gym Apex is an excellent investment. At a price of $399.99, it offers exceptional value by providing a total body workout with minimal impact on the joints. The ease of use, smooth operation, and wide range of exercises make it suitable for users of all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned gym-goers. While it may not replace traditional weightlifting for advanced strength trainers, it is an excellent choice for functional fitness, muscle toning, and overall conditioning. If you're in the market for an all-in-one fitness solution that offers variety, efficiency, and convenience, the Total Gym Apex is definitely worth considering.